Well, we're talking about spouse, we're talking about a cheating spouse. A couple of years back, you would not have heard cases of extramarital affairs coming out into the open. But today, it seems like times have changed, and like it is portrayed in movies, it's not just the man who dwells into infidelity. Cases of wives who have had affairs outside their marriage are being reported, just like this one case. Take on.
Disagreement, cheating, betrayal, and finally a divorce. While critics across the world are debating about whether marriage is a dying constitution, cases of infidelity turn even staunch disbelievers into believers in this argument. Of course, it all starts gradually, and soon the bane of extramarital affairs wrecks families and ruins the people involved. Naveen, a victim of infidelity, pushes himself to wake up each day and face his life that was left in shambles when his wife Letitia walked away. Here's his story. Naveen had started a company with his friends that was doing quite well. He soon hired Letitia as a typist and they grew close. He then got married to her. Life was normal, but Naveen had to travel abroad a lot for work-related issues. His business was expanding and his family life was also going great guns. However, one day when he returned back from his long foreign trip, things changed. In the beginning, all was going good. His wife was happy to see him return. His brother also used to stay with them in the same house. A year after the marriage, they had a daughter whom they really loved. But soon, things changed. Letitia had an affair with her neighbor, Koshi Abraham, who was around 10 years younger to him. Naveen didn't know anything about this. He carried on with his business and would return home late. One day, however, Letitia accused Naveen's brother of abusing their girl child. Naveen was furious but couldn't do anything. Letitia then forced Naveen to throw his brother out of the house. Although he felt sad, Naveen had to throw him out. However, Naveen did not know her real intentions. She would go out with her boyfriend and he would call her often. That is the reason Letitia wanted Naveen's brother out of the house, to get her own freedom back. Meanwhile, Naveen was troubled with threat calls that he kept getting often. The caller claimed that he would kidnap his daughter if he didn't pay him a great sum of money. In fear, he would take extra care of his daughter. Without the knowledge of Naveen, Letitia would hang out with Koshi and have fun. They would spend time outside the house and sometimes away from the city. She would make excuses and then leave home. Letitia gave up spending time at home and would get into petty fights with Naveen. She stopped working at home. She would cook for the family and soon she started distancing herself from home. She not only grew distant from Naveen but also lost any emotional bonding with her daughter. The daughter grew sad and would spend time alone. One day when Letitia said she wanted to go to MG Road and exchange a skirt, Naveen told her not to go. Instead, he wanted to teach their daughter as she had an exam the next day. But Letitia left, and when Naveen called her to find out where she was, she said she was taking an auto to get back home. However, she came back home in a car. Naveen, who was coincidentally standing in the balcony of the house, noticed this. He thought he had misunderstood the lady walking towards his house for his wife. But he was shocked to see that it was indeed his wife and Letitia had lied to him. Therein was sown the first seed of doubt. Soon after that, the quarrels became big and nothing worked for the couple. Letitia wanted a divorce and Naveen was trying hard to keep his family stable. To get rid of her clingy husband, Letitia moved out of the house. She also filed a complaint of dowry harassment against Naveen. Naveen